This is Bert from Infrared Heating UK. I'm going to show you this simple plug-in thermostat, how it works. You just plug it in and you plug your electric heater in here and you can set the temperature with the touch screen. This is actually a very easy way and cheap way of controlling infrared heating panels or other electrical heating equipment. If you don't want to wire them in or you don't know where to place them and you're looking for like an ideal spot for it, in the meantime you can still use it through this thermostat. Right, so this is a simple plug-in thermostat. You need to plug it into a socket and then it will show you the temperature on the screen and can adjust it by using the arrows. So now I set it to 24 degrees. The room temperature is 22. So anything you plug into it now will get power through the 3-pin plug. So you see that little fire is on now, and to turn it off you just need to turn the temperature down and then it will turn off the power supply for your heater. This is actually a very simple way of controlling your heating panels or any other electric heating equipment if you don't wire them in, because the only thing you need to do is plug it in here. It can also connect to a mobile phone app through Wi-Fi, so you can actually set it on your phone as well. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section and I can answer them in the next video.